Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija. Welcome to my channel. Today is 5th of June. Today is Nifty Expiry Thursday, and it has been a very interesting day, up and down, all around, quite different from what happened yesterday. Yesterday was a pure decay day for options, and the market was in a range, but today's day was highly volatile. We saw some good moves on the upside. We saw the open interest change many times over, and the market looks like it is in an undecided kind of a phase. And there is no particular trigger that is there for the market to move. We might see some trigger tomorrow with the RBI policy coming in, but otherwise there is not much that is happening in the market, if you ask me, and the market is kind of stuck in a range. So I'll take you through what were the things that happened today, and what are the things to watch out for as we go ahead. So this is we start off with Nifty first. This is how it played out today. It opened at about 24,600 odd and immediately just shot up from there, and then it was a consolidation and finally made this top. This top was again made somewhere during in December. This is the first time that this top was kind of made in December. It was in a lower high kind of a pattern, and today we reached that. So it's been, after that correction which started in September, or rather October of 24, this level was there in December, and now we are sitting on June. So it's been a long correction, if you ask me, and we corrected a lot, and now we are trying to go back up. But anyhow, this was not crossed. 24,800 was not crossed, and we came all the way down, and now we are in this particular range. So it's just been a highly volatile day, when it looked like it's going to break down over here, and then this up move came in, and again, it did not. It was a false up move. Now if you look at the Nifty daily chart, now this blue line over here that you see, this is the higher lower low, lower high that I was talking about. So this was made over here somewhere in December, in this particular area, and then of course we know that we fell down to 21,700 odd, and we were trying to break this. Now we are stuck in that same zone after that ceasefire day wherein the markets went up 4%. We are still trying to digest that. Now will it lead to a breakdown or a break out? It's very difficult to say at this point in time, but I've been maintaining two levels, and these bars haven't really changed. One is the 24,800 where we exactly reversed from today. Next will be 25,200. And then if we break that, then the all-time high, no one can stop coming from the all-time high. This kind of reminds me of the situation which was there in 2023. So 2022 in fact. So what had happened was that 2021 September was when the Nifty made its intermediate high, and it corrected from there. It was about 18,000, and then it fell till June 22. It went down to about 15,000, and from June 22 to March 23 the market was in a range of 15 to 18,000. A lot of times it went up, it broke the previous high of 18,000, it went to 18,600, but again then corrected. So March 23 was a time when there was a good time correction of 1.5 years, and the Nifty was pretty much in the same range, and then that is where the next bull run started. So for me also it looks similar, right now that we are in that no man's land. Maybe we have already made the bottom at 21,700. We might not break that bottom. We are making a dash towards the last all-time high. We might go there, we might break it also, and then we might consolidate. So there could be a time correction as well, or it could be that the large caps outperform and small caps don't outperform. It could be anything, but market is not giving a very clear view right now. It's not definitely undervalued, it's not overvalued, so it's in no man's zone. I'm talking about the large caps. Small caps and mid caps are still, according to me, overvalued. So this was that. Now let's look at what Bank Nifty has done. This is the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty made its all-time high on 23rd of April, and then again it made an all-time high yesterday on 3rd of June. So Bank Nifty is looking very, very strong, and it is doing all right. Now let us look where we are from our all-time high for all the indices. So Bank Nifty is, as I said, it broke its all-time high, so it's there. What is interesting to see is mid cap is now gone ahead of Nifty. So mid cap is only 4.5% down, and small cap will also be somewhere near this range, about 6-7% down. Nifty is almost 6% down. So as you can see, the rally in mid cap and small cap has taken off, really taken off for the past few days. I don't know whether this is sustainable or not, or it's just a flash in the pan. So we will come to know about that. The next one is Nifty Next 50. It is at minus 14%, and FMCG minus 16, auto minus 15. So consumption basket is, realty is minus 15, consumption basket is minus 15, still minus 15 down. And alpha has recovered a lot. So alpha is only down now minus 16, and momentum is minus 20, and IT, which is a big laggard, as you can see, it's the worst performing sector, is down minus 20 from the top. Now this is how the indices played out today. So pharma was the best performing index today, and VIX is cooling off. So VIX is in the 15 range, which is good news for us. And apart from that, autos was slightly sluggish, bank was flat. So everything was like, within that minus 0.1 to about 1% kind of a range today. So it was a range day, I would say, with very sharp movements for Nifty, and the range also in such a way that today the straddle premium opened at 100, they went to 140 immediately after the up move, then they came down, then again shot up. So it was darting all over the place with very limited premiums, but the entire premium decay came in yesterday. So almost like it was too good a day for option selling yesterday, when entire 1 month's profit would have come, I would say. Sometimes it happens like that, and that is where you have to come in every day for option selling, maintain similar sizes, and ensure that you are in the game. Otherwise, if you miss a day like yesterday, then you will be struggling, because from Friday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days were very, very rough for option selling. But Wednesday was a superb day, and today was a difficult day. I wouldn't rate it very easy, because of the very less premiums that were there. But again, it highlights the importance that you have to be very well diversified. You can't just rely on Nifty one instrument or the zero DT instrument and think that you're going to make money. It doesn't happen like that. You have to be very well diversified across instruments, and across premiums, across strikes, across buy and sell, both sides. Long and short volatility. So if you have a mix and match of various strategies, then there are good chances that you'll be able to realize some profits. So consistency is the key, sticking to the system is the key, coming every day to market is the key, maintaining similar size is the key, taking stop loss is the key, even taking stop profit is the key, I would say. So that was that about the markets. Let's see what the RBI policy is there for tomorrow, and that is going to decide the near-term direction. There is a talk of 50 basis point. If that comes, market is going to rally and so on. So let's see. Now coming to the international cues are all fine. US 30 years is 4.8, which is fine. 10 year is 4.3, which is good. S&P VIX is under control. Nasdaq is positive. Futures are positive. Bitcoin 104 is fine. Dollar index 98 is excellent. It just might go to 90 also. That's what they're saying, and that will lead to huge rally in the emerging markets, including India. Brent oil 65, no problem. USD INR 85 is absolutely fine. Silver is 35, so it's kind of making a move. And gold, look at that. Corrected to 3100, now it's back to 3385. So anyone who bought gold will be very happy, and anyone who is holding sovereign gold bonds will be very happy. The price has touched 10,000. I remember I've been telling this to all my clients to buy sovereign gold bonds whenever they were coming out for the last so many years, and whoever bought it are enjoying the benefits of that. It was a beautiful instrument that was launched by Government of India, wherein they were giving, apart from the gold price, 2.5% coupon also. It's been stopped, but you can still buy it through the secondary market. So there are such instruments which keep on coming, which one needs to be aware of, and how to invest in them. And if you're interested in investing, knowing more about investing through mutual funds, you can fill up the Google form, which is there in the description box, and I shall get back to you with how to make a good mutual fund portfolio, which will have all the asset classes in it, and how to basically ride the volatility, and how to get good returns basically. So if anyone is interested, please fill up that form. It's free of cost. So that was about gold. So gold is doing well, and sovereign gold bonds was a very good instrument. And we've seen how well gold has performed over the last 2-3 years. It's almost doubled from, and it's not stopping. And I've said many times about gold and why you should be invested in gold and why is it going up and so on. So I hope a lot of you have listened to that advice and acted on it, because gold acts as a good hedge against when equity markets are falling, and of course as a currency, it protects you against the currency downside and so on. So that's it from me now. It was a normal day in the markets with some sharp movements, and now all eyes will be on tomorrow, how the Reserve Bank policy comes out. And I shall see you soon with another update. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to it, and please share the video with your friends and family. And I shall see you soon. Do write in the comment box, how was your expiry, how was your week, how was the month going, and have a good day. See you later. Bye bye.